aking naintindihan dun sa pinaliwanag ni Sec Vince. Ang sinasabi po niya is context changes everything. Kailangan magkaroon ng konteksto yung project kasi may uniqueness, may peculiarities ang bawat project. As also explained by Congressman Pepito Alvarez a while ago. May malalayang lugar, may malalapit na lugar, iba-iba yung presyo ng materials, kaya hindi pwedeng sweeping or one size fits all. So we have to consider the context of each project para maging practicable nang sa ganon ma-implement at gumalaw yung local economy aside from the direct benefit of the project, katulad ng sinabi ni Kong Brian. So, pag ganon, I think it's very logical and reasonable na yung i-consider natin yung konteksto ng proyekto para ma-implement at malagay talaga yung tamang presyo. So, there's a lot of engineering districts all across the country. Lahat yan may konteksto, may uniqueness, may peculiarities. Yun ang dapat i-take into consideration ng ating engineering team under DPWH at yun ang gawing price ng material. Tapos, ang ating Pangulo at ang DPWH naglagay na po ng mga transparency portal. So aside from namomonitor yung mga nagawang projects, mamomonitor din po yung mga gagawing projects. Real time. So, in context, yung mga local civil engineer society, local church leaders, mache-check in context. At ito po yung pinapangako ni Sec Vince na they are open to being checked or being critiqued by the local civil society, local experts, or to anyone else. Para in context din, ma-check kung tama yung mga materials na nakalagay. So, I guess, like what the chairman said, at sinabi ni Chair Mika kanina, wala po tayong arguments dito. Gusto natin yung tamang presyo para mapakinabangan ng ating mga kababayan at talagang mabawasan or totaling mawala yung corruption. At kailangan lang natin ilagay sa konteksto nang sa ganon, tama at practical yung ating ginagawa, ma-implement, makinabang directly sa proyekto at indirectly dun sa trickle-down economy at yung 4% natin na GDP, hopefully, unti-unti na pong tumaas.